In this video I am going to show you how to remove background in Photoshop. I will show you two simple techniques to remove the background. The first step is to open the image. Once the image is open, you need to do is go to select and then click on the subject. Wait for a while. Now you can see basic outlines. Now click on add mask layer and see the magic boom. Wow, you can see now the background is removed. Now I am going to show you another method to remove the background. I will use quick selection tool. Now we need to check whether the brush is positive or negative. Let me explain you feature of positive and negative brush. We will use positive brush to select the subject and negative brush to remove the selected part which you don't need. Okay, now I am selecting the subject. It will take time. Now I will do fast forward for this. Now you can see subject is selected properly. Again we are going to use add mask layer and see the magic. The background is removed.